Aha, Opemsuo TV. Yemo bibi akwaba. Na ene yebepie mu wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko training ground. Adako jache. Edi adodo na different the AJ training complex. Oni mse nyame ya adoma kwasi ada. Kumasi Asante Kotoko ni omo mfefo. Ewo Ghana Premier League mu hat to folk. Ene de boy ni wo Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Enti Kumasi Asante Kotoko company for anase coaches technical team. It decided say omo biem na omo yi players ni bi. And then some for Ababa Betching Como ahead of the big game. TBPMU Ewaha, I be fan seminal at the Bremona players no. I know much chain Comono. Joseph Ablo, Wisdom Fernando Bassi, Samba O'Neill in Dongani. We any players mensa, I know Mudin Comona Fee, coach Ankasa head coach, Edema Kumasia Santa Prosper, Nate Ogum. And I know a chain Como over the AJ training complex. Inti Yako Niakwa Kuti ayen seminal I course so and as a message your medema supporters no ahead of the big game. Meding any German Kusi Leonard Ushame now for me big year Majoso.
But we are preparing the game normally like we are preparing all of our games so we are focused to we are ready to play the game on Sunday. Like it's a big match, it's the biggest match, like you just say it. So we are ready for Sunday.
Is there any pressure?
No. We don't have pressure. But the pressure is normal, you have to have pressure, but is positivity. The pressure is on the good side, so that's why. But I would say for me, like I just want to win, so it will be the same like in the Democratic Cup. So that's all. Yes, of course. We are ready. We are preparing for that, so we'll win on Sunday.
What are you telling your fans ahead of the game on Sunday?
But I'm telling them they should continue to support us, and we are going to make it easy on Sunday.
To me, it's a big game, but all the same, in our training, so we are working hard so that we can beat them on Sunday.
Moko game we know. Preparation is saying we exceptional preparation and after preparation and more than normal preparation say more than any other game.
Oh no, we all the players here motivating say we winning game on Sunday. Until was a while and yeah preparing for the Sunday game.
Only Samba partnership no. As a player who is saying Samba Biana just play so can that partnership who is officer and over my Sunday win number.
Oh yeah, for sure. Sunday game ready between me and Samba there. We believe in ourselves. Say Sunday there we are going all out to win the game on Sunday.
Ghana League is saying compared to the previous leagues I'm on for to this Uber training guys so the back camp player no. How to folk more Hamza Isa, you can name the players maybe more day. Who could game say they see who were previous games you know how they come.
Oh, that one there for sure. Me there mean ball Ghana League in that. But my experience was no. In the game no may improve like for example time I'm working my ball tough matches baby. Inti ana mabano ebe easy amami mini Asofo. This is my first time playing with Asofo. Inti what's a me economy
you was having say only has in the easy match.
Oh yeah, it's easy match because strikers in the new strikers because my face strikers good strikers all outside, so as match in the very easy amami.
Eddie, you are showing the fans Sunday Mberene.
Oh, fans there me bomb like me catch on say omo brand numbers number support here but Sunday with the you do much better from
then when tell as a friend
because me believe in players, me teammates and I train so the better game near winning on Sunday.
Joseph, the first Premier League game I am Baba Yara. return to a Baba Yarano. Ebinya a effective team this one.
Oh, they be. Say boy FA Cup and tea. Whilst I hear coin in second game there, I hope say you be winning on Sunday.
Or how are you adapting to the Kumasi Asante Kotoko team? That is number one. And then the number two, there are times special games comes with special packages. Have there been any form of promise financially from the management? Should you be hard to for?
Yeah, for how I'm coaching in Kotoko is good. Everything is good. Like they accept me like we are family here. So hospitality is not the problem because I'm being taken care of. And no, nothing like a promise yet. We are just going to do our work. That's just it. Yeah, in game of football, sometimes it happens like that. Sometimes one person scored, sometimes, but it's always a teamwork. If 11 players not be on the field, Ahmed will not score a goal. So it's always about we contributing for him to score. He's our number 9, so he's our top scorer. I always want him to score. But we as wingers and other strikers, we are working hard in training. We are working so hard so that we too can contribute in goal scoring. So I know it will come. Sometimes like that, but I know we are going to score a lot of goals this season. Yeah, we are just going to do what we have been doing. If we winning them is just a normal thing for us. They said we have beaten them 3 times, and this is my first derby. So we are going to do what we are doing. We are preparing well. We are mentally okay. We are ready for the game. So we just go on Sunday and get the job done.
You got injured. Are you fine? Are you fit?
Yeah. I have hamstring injury, so I was rested for like a week now. So the medical team have worked so hard for me to be back. So I'm good.
Before your injury, you were playing very well, taking players on. You were doing excellent. Are you ready for the game? Is that injury not going to affect you?
No. It's not going to affect me. I'm still going to do what I've been doing.
Yeah, I think the mentality at training with the boys, technical staff, everybody is very positive. We are very poised. Tactically, we are approaching the game based on how we've seen them play, especially in their away games. But then, if you look at games between Kotoko and Hasselhoff, normally the dynamics are different. So what I want to tell you is that we are very hopeful as a technical staff, as a playing body. The players are prepared physically, tactically, psychologically. They are prepared for the game on Sunday.
A crucial game. About 3 players. National assignment. Here can say Togo. In himself, Spain and other countries now. I'm a big game. Say activities be so. We have a full team to prepare. Players no more national assignments, and affect your preparation ahead of the game.
They will be available for the game. I think we only have to be to take notice of how they play, and then try to make sure that their strengths we counteract it, and their weakness we take advantage of it. We just have to train based on what we've seen them play, but then the focus should be us. But sometimes when you focus so much on the opponent, you forget about yourself, and then it goes to affect you. So ours is to make sure that we get our tactics right, we get our confidence right, we get our determination, aggression, everything right, and then face them. Yeah, it's all about tactics, and then I can't declare or disclose what we want to do, because you don't go to a battle telling your opponent what sort of weapons you are bringing on board. Once you tell them, they know what to also do. That's just by the way. But then what I'm trying to say is that tactically, I mean, we need to have different approaches to the game. And if you observe my team play, most of the time we don't go the same way throughout the game. We keep changing the approach in the course of the game based on how the opponent also approach the game within certain segments or minutes or moments within the game. So what I can tell you is that as and when the dynamics of the game change from that of the opponent, we also try to also approach it accordingly. Yeah, as your colleague said, I think those in the national team camp, they will come. That's why when he asked that question, I said they will be available. I mean, they are playing today. Definitely, I'm sure by tomorrow or Friday they will be in. Fernando has a hamstring injury and then started some light to medium levels of running. So we observe him today too. He's been away for 2 weeks. It's exactly, I think, 2 weeks yesterday that he went out of training. So he's not been training for the past 2 weeks. So we are observing him. Peter also had a slight injury. The medical team is also observing him. He didn't train yesterday, and today too he has not trained. So we are observing. We know very well that the medical team is very competent, and then they will be able to get them ready. So basically for now, I think these are the 2 guys, and then the other 2 guys are the national team camp. That's it.
Coach, Frederick Asare fit from my checks at the national team, the Galaxies. I think somebody told me that he's not fully fit or something. Is Frederick Asare?
Yeah, he's been training. He's been training.
So he's fit for selection?
He's training.
Coach, Kwampoko is back, your new striker. What do you have to say about him? Kwampoko.
Yeah, he's a fine striker, fine player. I like his level of professionalism. He's been talking to me about the way we train here, how happy he is about the way we train, like it's up to standard. And he's happy he's back to the club to also contribute his quota. We know he has the eye for goal, and that's the reason why we are bringing him on board to come and score. Either he's scoring or he's assisting other teammates to also score. So we only have to support him emotionally, we have to support him psychologically, let him believe that he's a good quality player. That is why we brought him on board. We need to give him all the necessary physical and psychosocial support that we need to give to him to be able to live up to expectations. So he's a good player, and as a coach, I'm happy that he's back to the club.
Coach, first league game, Baba Stadium, Uber against us, and 700 more offense.
I think they need to come in their numbers to come and support us. We are playing at home, and it's a big game and the biggest game of the season. We all know the dynamics that go into games between Kotoko and Hasselhoff. So we need them. We want to see the whole place filled with red colors, singing, drumming, dancing, supporting us. And then, as I always say, in the game, you will not have it good throughout the 90 minutes. Some moments within the game, I mean, there will be, we may go down in terms of our level of performance. I mean, performance cannot be consistent throughout the 90 minutes. If you are lucky, it will be. In the moments that we go down within the 90 minutes, they have to try as much as possible to make sure that they support us. When I say go down, I mean in terms of our performance, sometimes you see that energy levels will drop. So when the energy levels drop and then they begin to make certain few errors, they shouldn't be ranting at them, they shouldn't be hooting at them, they shouldn't be booing at them. But like we see in Europe, where we watch these matches on DSTV and what have you, they still support them. And that is what we want. We want the 12th player to take advantage of. As a team, we are prepared psychologically, physically, tactically, we are ready. But then we'll be more ready if they come and support us. They should have confidence in us that we are capable of making them happy on Sunday. So they should come in their numbers from the north, from the south, from the east, from the west, and from the central areas. They should come, fill the stadium, and then make sure that they support us throughout. And we also live up to expectations.
The form of Hasselhoff, the form of Asante Kotoko, are you worried about the form of Hasselhoff in the league?
You need to throw more light. Form in terms of?
In the league, they have form than you, if you compare both.
Sunday, we'll see.
Coach, House Coach Watara make emphatic statement say, Omobe Kumasi, Ababesha Asante Kotoko. As a whole coach, Edema Kotoko, what is that statement? You know, you feel it one directly Kotoko team Nana.
Not at all. I mean, he's a coach and he's right to his opinion. That is what he's thinking. And sometimes some of these mental games are put ahead to make sure that, I mean, you get a better side of the opponent. So these are normal things in coaching where coaches sometimes say some of these things. So we are ready. So they should come.
win on Sunday, win.
We are ready. They should come.
Coach, on Kwame Kotoko, we know the window, second transfer window opens in January 23rd. But we are hearing he has a special dispensation that can be registered by something. We don't know if that is true. If it is true, we will be available for selection against Kotoko on Sunday.
Yeah, as you said, we need to confirm that. I'm not very sure about that. That is an administrative responsibility, so I think I have to be quiet on it. For us as coaches, we have prepared him, even if on Sunday or today even we are playing a match, and per the rules of the game, he can be registered and play. He will play.
There are three things in football. It's either a win, draw, or lose. But the supporters always want their team to win.
Yeah.
Any form of assurance from their coach that they are winning on Sunday.
They should come on Sunday in their numbers, come and support us.
Can they be assured?
They should come on Sunday in their numbers, from the north, from the south, from the east, everywhere they should come and support us.
Coach, you body it.